Hi friends, today we are going to see the unboxing for Mimitakara bone conduction hearing amplifier. So this is one of the popular hearing aid among the user who are having macrotia condition or otitis media or undeveloped ear. So this allows you hear through your bone rather than the conventional way of ear canal and eardrum. So let's unbox this and see its detail. So on the packaging itself you will have a image of the hearing aid, how it looks like, and the transmitter which is connected to your hearing aid via Bluetooth. Some key features. So let's unbox this. So as soon as you unbox it, you will see the hearing aid and the transmitter on the top. For a moment we keep this aside and let's see what's inside. So below it you will see a pouch and some documentations. On the top you have a warranty card from Mimitakara, some specifications and a user manual. You can read this user manual and operate the hearing aid. We strongly recommend to read the user manual before using a hearing aid. So let's keep this aside. Now open this pouch. So inside it you receive a tag which is useful to carry the transmitter along your neck. You get a standard type A to type C cable to charge your hearing aid as well as the receiver, and you get a 3.3 mm jack connector. So you can also connect your transmitter through the audio devices and hear it properly. Now see the product. So this is how it looks like. On the right side you have Mimitakara branding, and also this is a touch sensor, so you can also adjust the volume. So let's open. On the bottom you have power on off button, so you have to long press to on. So let's press it. So once it is on, you can see a smiley face, and it will also show power on and always tells you the battery. So it will say battery full. Okay. As well as on the bottom you have a type C charging port to charge the hearing aid. Let's close this. By pressing by touch sensor you can increase or decrease the volume also. And these are the vibrators which connects to your cheekbone and allows you to hear. Okay, and the sound will transfer from this to you. On the back side this is the adjustment, so you can adjust according to your head shape. If it is smaller you can adjust it. It can goes up to 68 degree of angle, so you can adjust it and it will become like this, and it will suit you, especially ideal for kids. But for elders or young people, you can just adjust according to your head size. Okay, these are adjustable. Then see the receiver. So here you can see it comes with center the power button. So when you press long it will turn on. So let's turn it on. So you can see it is blinking, but when it gets solid green it says connected. So now it is saying connected. And on the right side it is having volume rocker to adjust the volume up and down. You can adjust, and by double pressing you can control the noise cancellation. When you double press it will go for the noise cancellation cancel. Default is noise cancellation on. On the top you have a type C port to charge. On the back you have a clip, and on the left side you have a 3.5 mm jack where you can use the cable and connect it to your audio source devices to hear it directly from there, and then via Bluetooth to your device. This device also comes with Bluetooth setting, so you can just turn this off and directly pair it to your device. So it also work as Bluetooth headset, but it can work only one at a time. Either you can hear from your device or you can hear through this transmitter. So but it is very convenient nowadays, and you can also do the audio streaming. Okay, so that's all for this. You can also visit us at www.digibionic-india.co.in for more details and product information, or call us at 638 2255 145.